Hello everyone, I'm Jeremiah with Personify, and I'm going to go over just a few quick steps in setting up your account. And it's pretty simple. You just click on sign in once you go to personifyinc.com, and you'll see a simple sign in process, not unlike using webmail or something like that. Now, you'll want to sign in using the email address, or rather, create an account using the email address that you'll be using whenever you use the app, either Presenter or ChromaCam. So essentially, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new account. So if I create an account here, then I'll simply select the email that I'm going to put in this case. I'll use Hotmail. And this is my personal account. So then I'll agree with the privacy policy in terms of use. And then, of course, I'll hit sign up. It will want me to confirm this via email. So then I'll just go to my Hotmail account and sign in to my Hotmail account. And once there, then I can see that it's not shown up yet. One moment. Oh, it might actually be in my junk mail. And there it is, sitting in my junk mail. So this is something you might need to be aware of depending on how you're accessing your system. So then if I go to here and I'll say click to confirm, and then it wants a few more details. Now that I've confirmed my email address, it's simply asking me to enter in. Oh. All right, and then my company and organization, in this case, it's Personify. All right, and you can decide whether or not you want to receive emails from Personify, and then double check, make sure you've spelled your own name correctly, and then hit next, and then it wants a password. I'm going to put in a base password. All right, and this can be changed at any time if you decide you need to change your password for security reasons or any other reason. That can be done within the account. All right, and click next, and then we're done as far as creating the account. Now you will see that we have in front of us a way to download both ChromaCam and Presenter at this point. Now, we are still in what's called a trial account, but then if you're using volume licensing, then we can have your license added to your new trial account through your organization. But it's as simple as that. Once you've created your account, just click on the software that you want to download. To install, you simply click on the latest version to install, and you'll see down here that it's downloading. Once it's downloaded, then you simply install it just like any other software. If for some reason you might need to download a legacy version of ChromaCam, you'll see just below alternative download links for previous versions can be found. Once it's downloaded, to install the software, you simply go to the software that has downloaded and click open, and it will run the installer. And you see that I give a thumbs up and agree, and the software is installing. It's as simple as that. Once the software is installed, it will sit and run in the background and be available as a camera for any video conferencing software. This is not the app, but just a banner to let you know that the app is installed. All you have to do at this point is go to the settings of whatever software you're using for video calling and select it. So select ChromaCam, that is, to use for your camera, because ChromaCam will use whatever camera you tell it to use. And that's about it. Installing the software is pretty simple, and then you just have to tell, let's say you're using Teams. You have to tell Teams what camera to use. You tell it to use ChromaCam, and ChromaCam will use whatever camera you designate as its source. So, for instance, I'm using my RealSense Intel camera, but you could be using whatever camera came with your laptop, just the same way. All right. Thanks very much. I hope this is helpful to you.